If modern naval warfare comes down to missile power, these are the three destroyers that matter most. Number 3. China's Type 055 Renhai class, 112 vertical launch cells. Type 346B AESA radar, YJ-18 anti-ship missiles with a supersonic terminal sprint. HHQ-9B air defense missiles beyond 200 kilometers, built to escort carriers and project regional power. Number 2. USS Zumwalt class, stealth hull with dramatically reduced radar signature, 80 Mark 57 launch cells, integrated electric propulsion, now being upgraded for hypersonic conventional prompt strike weapons, designed for next-generation conflict. And number 1. Arleigh Burke Flight 3, 96 Mark 41 vertical launch cells, AN/SPY-6 radar capable of tracking ballistic missiles at extreme range, SM-6 interceptors beyond 240 kilometers, Tomahawk strike range over 1,600 kilometers, layered defense, global deployment, proven combat system. Because